How to convert JPG to PDF in Pixillion. Add your JPG files to Pixillion, then select the images you want to convert. Choose PDF from the Convert to File dropdown and click Convert. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to convert JPG to PDF in Pixillion. Start by adding your JPG files to Pixillion. You can drag and drop them into the program window, or click Add Files to browse and select them manually. Select the files you want to convert by clicking Select All to highlight everything in the list, or hold the Ctrl key while clicking files individually. Open the Convert to File drop-down menu and choose PDF as the output format. Click Set Output folder to choose where the converted PDF files will be saved. Open encoder settings to customize the PDF output. You can adjust the paper size, orientation, margin, scaling mode, positioning mode, and quality settings. Click Save to apply your settings. When ready, click Convert to begin the conversion process. After conversion is complete, click Open Output folder to view your converted PDF files. For more Pixillion tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.